You are welcome to today's session. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve polynomial questions. So we have this question on the board, all right? And the first part is saying that factorize 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So let's solve it. You have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now, with this one is a quadratic function. Okay, with quadratic function, they are in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So the a is the coefficient of the x squared. It will multiply the c. Now, with this question, what is the a? The a is 2, the c is what? -2. They will multiply, giving you like 4. All right. Now, you are going to find factors of the product of the coefficient of the x squared and the c. So in this case, it's 1, 4, and you have 2 times 2, giving you 4, so you have 2. Out of this, you pick 2 of the factors that when you multiply, it will give you the product of the a and the c. So in this case, it should give you -4. And those same 2 numbers, when you add or subtract, it should give you the middle term. So obviously, you can see that it's 1 and 3. So that -1 times 4 will give you -4. -1 plus 4 will give you +3, as you have over here. So when you come to this side, you are going to replace this one with the middle term, giving you 2x squared plus, 4x minus x minus 2. So that when you subtract, you have your 3x. So you put first 2 in bracket, last 2 also in bracket. X here, you factorize 2 here, 4 here, common divisor, so you have 2, giving you x, then you have 2, so that 2x times x will give you 2x squared, 2x times the 4 will give you 4x. Then I always say that what is in the first bracket, you repeat it here, so you have x plus 2. Then you ask yourself, what number is that when multiplied by x, it will give you this one, that is -1. So -1 times x will give you x. -1 times 2 will give you the -2. Now, since they are the same, all right, you have x plus 2. You write one of them, then you pick this one, which is 2x minus 1. And this is how you go about factorizing it. Somebody may ask, how can I be sure that what I've done is correct? You can be sure by expanding. This one will multiply this, okay? Then it will multiply the same thing. Then this one will come and multiply after you simplify. X times x is 2x squared. X times this one is x. 2 times this one is 4x. 2 times this one is 2. So you have 2x squared. We simplify, you have 3x minus 2. And this is how you know that what you actually did was correct. I hope I've been able to help you to go about solving this part of the question or factorization questions. Now let's look at the second part of the question. Pardon me, I'm going to use this. I can't find my duster. I should have. So when we factorize it, I think we had, was it 2x minus 1 and x plus 2, I think so. So this one will multiply this 2x squared. Yes, 4. I think these are the factors. Now let's look at the second part, that is the b. It says that when the polynomial function, so let me write p of x equal to ax cubed plus 5x squared plus bx minus 2. The question will want us to find, that is the value of a and b. Now, this question is very interesting. The question is saying that when this polynomial, you have a and b, which are the constants, is being divided by what you have over here. Okay, the remainder is what we have over here. Meaning that, in a way, this is a factor for this polynomial, okay? Now, what that means is that if you want to actually find the value for a and b, you will have to put this one to be equal to 0. So you have x plus 2 equal to 0. X will give you -2. But the question is saying, sorry, you also put this one too there. So let's say that 2x minus 1 equal to 0. You have 2x equal to 1. Right here by 2. Sorry. X is equal to what? Half. Now what he's saying is that when this one divide what you have over here, the remainder that it gives you is 9x minus 6. So what you are going to do is that with what you have over here, you have, so for now we are not going to put in the value yet, but what the question is saying that when you put in the value of x, that is for any of this, the remainder is 9x minus 6. I hope you are following. So first of all, what you are going to do is that we say when f of what? -2, let's put it in here. You have 9 multiplying -2, then 6. This one will give you -18 minus 6. And what do you have? That is -24. Okay. Then when it is half, that means that 9 rather half minus that. So what do you have? Think that will be 9 on 2 minus 6. So let's do the calculation here. 9 on 6. Sorry, 9 on 2 rather. Minus 6 divided by 1. The LCM, this one can't see a 1. So you have 9. Then here you have 2 minus 12. So that is going to give you -3 on 2. So this side is -3 on 2. Okay. Now, when you bring this one over here, what it means that right now we are going to put this one, the -2, into the whole function, and it will be equal to this 24, as the question was trying to let us know. So let's look at it. You have a into bracket 2 is what? -2 power 3 plus 5. You have a -2 all square plus b -2 minus 2 all equal to -24. Now what you have here is -2 times -2 times -2, and that will give you -8. Positive, sorry, negative will give you positive, times this negative is -8. So that will give you -8a. Then this one, it will give you -2, which is what? 4 times this. So you have 20. Then what you have here will give you -2b. Then you have -2 equal to -24. So you have -8a, -2b, okay? And this one is positive. It will reduce this one to plus 18 equal to -24. I hope you are following. So you have -8a, -2b. Then this one will move to this side, giving you -24, -18. So you have -8a, -2b equal to that is 42. So here you can just factorize the negative out. Alright, so you have -8a plus 2b this way equal to 42. Then we'll divide both sides by -1. And now have 8a plus 2b equal to 42. Like this, as equation 1. Now, mind you, we are trying to find the value for what? A and b. And this is, according to the question, it divided and gave us this remainder. So what we've done is that we factorize this, and we have 2 factors. And when we're looking at the factor theorem, all right, and also that of the remainder theorem, we said you equate the factor to be equal to 0. Then whatever value that you get for x, you come and put it into the function. So in this case, when you put it into the function, it should have been equal to 0. But they said that the remainder is equal to 9x minus what? 6. So because of the x here, we also put the value of what x is equal to into this one. And that is what we did here initially. So you can see that from here, whatever that x was, which is -2, whatever that we had, we equated it because we were using the -2. So we are now coming to the part where it is what? Half. All right, let me clean this side. Now, with the same preamble, we are going to have, that is when it is negative. So when it is half, we are going to have a exponent, that is half all cubed plus 5 multiplying half all square plus b multiplying half minus 2 equal to -3 on 2. We need to divide this side. Okay, now it will affect this one such that you have 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, and that will give you 1/8. 2 times 2 times 2. So in this case, you have 1/8a. Or you can also say a over what? 8, because 1/8a times a, that will multiply, giving you that, okay? And this one too is going to give you 1/4 times this, so you have 5/4. So it's 5 times 1/4. The 1 will multiply, giving you 5/4. I hope you are following. Then this side too, the b will multiply, giving you b/2. Then you have -2 equal to -3 on 2. So from here, what we are going to do is to find the LCM and multiply through by each term. So in this case, the LCM is what? 8. So you have 8 multiplying a/8 plus 8 multiplying 5/4 plus 8 multiplying b/2. Then the 8 to multiply this one. You have 8 multiplying -3 on 2. This one will cancel, giving you a. Here 1, here 2. 2 times this, that is 10. Alright, 2 goes here, 1 here, you have 4. So that will give you 4b. And this one will give you 16. 2 here, 1 here, 4. Multiply, that will give you 12. Guys, I hope you are following. I know that it's quite lengthy, but if you take your time to understand it, it will be amazing and great. So here you have a plus 4b. Then this one and that, you try to simplify. So that will give you -6. All right. Then you have -12. So this one will move to this side, giving you a plus 4b equal to -12 plus 6. A plus 4b equal to 6, and this becomes equation 2. So at the end of the day, you are going to work with these two equations, this and that. So far, all that we've done so far, it is our understanding of polynomials that we've used to work up to this point. Where we have gotten to, it is your understanding of simultaneous equation that will be able to help you find the value of a and b.